Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to graph about this one. So we see that number 3 and negative number 5, they are the solutions of this one when y equals to number 0. Because we have positive number 1 and positive number 1 next to x, so the graph should be like this. So this one that's about positive number 3. This one is about negative number 5. So they want to find the area between s equal to number 2 and s equal to number 6. So number 2 that's in here and number 6 that is in here. So the area we need to concentrate, that should be about this one. So we see that this one is about negative, this one is about positive. So the area in this situation from number 2 to number 3, because this is about the negative, so we need to put the negative sign in here. And we have the interaction from number 2 to number 3. And we have this function in here. First, we need to expand this one. So I will put this one go on here. And the next one from number 3 to number 6. Next, the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of 2s, we have s squared. The integration of this one, we have negative 15s. And we put the bounds from number 2 to number 3. Similar for the second one. Now, I will put number 3 go on here, number 2 go on here. So we calculate about this one first. And we got 11 over 3. Now we do the similar for the second one. We have 45. So we sum two numbers together. And we have 146 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.